why should you use namespaces in your game engine? The reason why you should use namespaces in your game engine, such as what you see here, 967, I use that namespace uFruity engine, right? And then I provide the class. It's because namespaces will help you avoid any conflict with other methods or functions with other frameworks that you may integrate in your game engine, right? For example, let's say that in my game engine I have the method add, right? Add vectors, for example. And let's say that let's say, right, just for the sake of an example, that ImGUI also has the same method, add vectors, right? If you don't have a namespace, if you don't specify the namespace, you are going to have a conflict because your game engine, right, would not know which method you want to call, or which one are you referring to, right? So that's why you want to use namespaces. It is tedious to be writing namespaces, but it's something that you should be, that you should make it a habit. Again, it's for your own good. Or else you are gonna go nuts trying to figure out what the heck is the problem. But basically, it's because for that. It's just to avoid any conflicts with other methods from other frameworks. Basically, that is it. All right, so we have an error. Welcome to the world of developers.